So I don't know what I'm getting myself into. This is supposed to be a naked beach, and no, I'm not taking my bathing suit off. But it's supposed to be a really beautiful beach. That is actually why I'm going. People don't get naked here anymore, I guess, and I do not want to see any of that, so I'm putting my blinders on. Okay, I'm going to this place called Secret Beach. And this is my spot in a secret place. And this was like a really pothole-ridden dirt road to get down here, but not too long. And here we got down. Here it is. At the end of the road. Okay, here we go. Okay, this trail is so beautiful. Look at it. Even though it's very short, it is really low. Watch out for the roots. It's very beautiful. Whoa, and it's much better maintained than when Ed and I were here. Here we see a peak of the ocean. Just a beautiful beach. A beautiful beach day. Here we are at the beach. Secret beach. Lava rocks. You turn to the left side of the beach. And then there are some tide pools over here, which are beautiful. But they tell you not to come if the surf is too big, because people have actually been washed into the water and died. So be very, very careful. Really need to go in on the right hand side because the current basically takes you all the way over here. You don't want to crash into the rock and then have to get out of the wave without the undertow pulling you back in. So basically we keep going in right here like these girls, and then the current kind of moves you. It's super fun playing in the water. Before I leave, I want to say that I honestly, and this is honest, I haven't had so much fun playing on the beach since I was a kid. This was incredible. I loved it. Come on down to Secret Beach.